gentlemen, what is good? It's your boy, that lit fair DJ. Today we have this song called White Noise. Let's check it out. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment on the video. Yeah, let's get started. Okay. Oh, band.
I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Look, brain going on overdrive, and I might be going nuts. They don't understand my mind, but I don't think no one does. Feeling like my ankles tight, my legs is going numb. I've been down a million times, but I won't be slowing down. And now I'm diving rid of the deep, and what am I thinking? What is the reason?
This is good. This guy and a band? That's good. This is giving country music vibes. Because I know the country music genre is like bands. Like metal, other music, but hip hop, I've never actually seen bands in hip hop. I don't know, maybe they're dead. Like maybe there's like videos with like bands, but usually it's usually more of country music, especially in the United States. So this kind of is similar. Okay, I think you might be trying a new music genre, because you don't know, maybe like different artists like usually try different genres. But okay, so far everything is good. Nice car so far. But yeah, let's react, and let's just enjoy the video. Please, let's just enjoy the video, and let's continue. This should be lit. Yeah, let's continue.
Laying in bed, I'm closing my eyes, I'm staying awake and staring at the ceiling. Scroll on my phone and look at TV and keeping myself from falling asleep. It's way too quiet, put in a fan and give me some noise to quiet the demons. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. Said it's way too late to hallucinate. It ain't my choice. Try to block it out, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah.
Wow, I'm actually vibing with this song. I'm even lip singing this here. Yeah, good. I actually didn't expect this music video to do as good, because I guess this guy was trying. I don't know what this. I'm assuming that this man is trying a new music genre, because this kind of looks like country, but I don't know what. Or it's just maybe a freestyle, or it just, I don't know what's going on. But wow, I like the artwork behind the scenes. See, the artwork to me is fire, and the car, like I said, the car is good. I like the jewelry. It's good to have like jewelry, but it's like I've never seen people with like, I've never personally seen someone singing in a band with like jewelry, with like chains and watches. I usually watch this on the what is this? On like more of hip hop. Like in hip hop videos, I usually get this, but this right. But I know this guy. It's like he does hip hop, maybe a little bit of country. I don't know if he does country. I don't know. But wow, so far I can say is wow. It's good. Let's keep reacting. Yeah, let's enjoy. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yeah, let's go.
I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Yeah, Some nights when I'm by myself, I start to daydream, try to think of something else, hoping that could save me. Wanna get some therapy, maybe that'll change me. If you ever felt like me, maybe I ain't crazy. And I wanna drive it up off this clip when I just get so distracted. Can't get in my vibe on a night like this, I just don't know what's happening. Wanna take some meds, but I know that shit, but I have my soul adapted. I get in my head and I see some shit you probably won't imagine. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out.
A little bit of a performance. This is like a little bit of a performance, which is good. So I'm not going to like, I know it's a video, but at the same time this is more like of a performance. I just noticed something. This car, this looks like a Rolls Royce from back in the day. This might be Rolls Royce back in the day because of the ghost thing, but this one I think is a ghost. I think this is one of the older ghosts of Rolls Royces. I don't know if, because it sounds same, but yeah, okay. It's like a little bit of performance, and then the performance are obviously females, because a lot of these music videos, especially this guy's music videos, usually have females end up dancing, and I like how the female dancing. I like how the females dance. Don't ask me why I like that, because I'm not going to respond to that. But let's continue. This should be good. We're almost done with the music video, so yeah, let's just skip that.
Our brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late, and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. Said it's way too late to hallucinate. It ain't my choice. Try to block it out, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. Said it's way too late, and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah.
White noise. Okay, I guess this is the end of the video. So I'll give this a 10 out of 10 because it's like I always say. Yeah, this one is 10 out of 10. That's the end of the video. So please make sure you subscribe, like, share, the comment. More videos up every week. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video. Yeah, see you guys next time.